Welcome to our top tips for managing your OWealth account effectively. Let's discover how OWealth can empower your personal finance journey. Tip 1. Regularly review your investment portfolio. Monitoring your investments helps you adjust them according to performance and align them with your financial goals. Tip 2. Set clear financial goals. Defining both short-term and long-term objectives helps guide your investment decisions on the OWealth platform. Tip 3. Utilize the tools and resources available on OWealth to assist you in budgeting, analytics, and investment education. Tip 4. Diversifying your investments is key. It mitigates risk and enhances potential returns, leading to a more balanced portfolio. Tip 5. Stay informed on market trends. Keeping up with financial news helps you make well-informed decisions for your investments. In conclusion, regularly review your portfolio, set clear goals, utilize available tools, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Take proactive steps in managing your OWealth account today.